how actually it is working? Suppose if you write it is called as the unary operator. Unary operator. Unary operator means it is increment the value of the operand by 1. But here, if you write plus a, it represent it is a positive number. It is a positive number. If you write here minus a, it represent if you write here plus a, if your increment operator is present before the operand, this is called as a pre-increment. Pre-increment. If you write a plus plus, it is called as the post increment. This pre-increment, then it is called as the post increment. Now it means what? এটা যদি আমি দেখিবা, it is means first increment, then display. It is called as first display, then increment. বুঝিলা? মনীষা বুঝিলা?
Yes, sir.
So if I write, if your a value is 5 and if I pass x equals to plus a, okay, যদি মোর a র ভ্যালু 5 হেলা and if I represent x equals to plus a, so after executing the statement, now tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of x. মানে এই স্টেটমেন্টটা এক্সিকিউট হেলা পরে a র ভ্যালু কেতে হবো আর x র ভ্যালু কেতে হবো? a র ভ্যালু 5 দিয়া হইছে। রশ্মি, মনীষা কেতে হবো? So here it means first increment. First increment the value of whom? First increment the value of a. So when it is increment the value of a value is now 6. Then display. এটি যেতলে a র ভ্যালু 6 হেলা, ultimately x equals to কোন হইতলা plus a, তো x র ভ্যালু কেতে হেলা 6 হেলা। বুঝিলা মনীষা?
Yes, sir.
So if I write here a is equals to 5 and if I pass x equals to a plus plus, then now tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of x here. What is the value of a?
So A ର value 5 ଆଉ X ର value 6 ହବ.
First it is the display which value? A ର value display करिवो माने एठी x ର value हैला 5. First display the value of a, then it is increment. कहा को से increment करिवो? A ର value increment करिवो. Now a value is 6. बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as the unary operator. Unary operator means it is working on a single operand. एठी operand होची a. गोटे single operand ऊपर एटा काम करिवो. So that it is called as the unary operator. So it is called as the pre-increment and pre-decrement operator. Now I will show one example. So देखो a रा वैल्यू हैला 10, b रा वैल्यू हैला 100. देखो इंटीजर रे पास कराई छी. int a is equals to 10, b is equals to 100. Then now I define your float c is equals to 10.5, d equals to 100.5. Then now here I increment the value of a. When I increment the value of a रा वैल्यू 10 थिला एबे केते हला 11 हला. एबे b रा वैल्यू 100 थिला एबे डिक्रीमेंट हला केते देखेला 99 दिखेला. बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Then comes to the complex assignment operator. An assignment operator that is used for assigning a value to a variable. It is having a simple assignment operator, another is complex assignment operator. Assignment operator is divided into two parts. One is simple assignment operator, another is complex assignment operator. In simple assignment operator, like you can pass here a is equals to 5. In complex assignment operator, so it is a simple assignment operator. In complex assignment operator, you can use a plus equals to b. It means a is equals to a plus b. Okay, it is a complex assignment operator. And you can write here a minus equals to b. That means a is equals to a minus b. If you pass here a modulo equals to b, that means a is equals to a modulo b, means which is divided number and showing the remainder part. Next is similar way, a division equals to b, that means a is equals to a by b. It is called as the complex assignment operator. বুঝিয়ালা এটা complex assignment operator টা simple or
Yes,
complex?
sir. Now I go for the program.
So now check here. int a is equals to 5, then c. So here we pass c is equals to a. Means in c we pass the value a. Then it is printing you c. Now c plus equals to a. तो c plus equals to a, c is equals to c plus a. तो c ର value already केते अछि 5 अछि मु एठी कोन लिखली c is equals to a. तो c ର value एठी केते हे गेला 5 हे गेला. तो एठी जते बळे कोन होला c is equals to c plus a. 5 plus 5 केते हे गेला 10 आसिला. बुझिला.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now when I write c minus equals to a, okay, now c is equals to c minus a.
0.
10 minus 5 तो 5 ହେଲା. बुझिला. Then c multiplication equals to a. The c is equals to c into a. The c value is 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. Then c is equals to 5. 25 अछि c by a. 25 अछि एरा 25 by 5 again 5 आसिला. तापर देखला c is equals to c modulo a. c ର value 25 अछि 25 by 5 एटी रिमाइंडर आसिला 0. बुझिला.
Yes, sir.
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍. ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍.
मुझे देंगे आप, मैं आपको एक्सचेंज का पैसा और 200 दे दूंगा, मेरा 20 ये 220 ये 230 मिला के दूंगा तो 400 तो हमारा एक्सचेंज है 8 जन तो अच्छा ठीक है, अब मैं दे रहा हूँ 200 मिला के 400 पे कर दूँ।
Okay, so next we comes to the relational operator. A relational operator check the relationship between the two operands. If the relationship is true, it return 1. If the relationship is false, it return 0. So a relationship operator basically it is used for checking the condition. One is we're using equals operator. Equals operator is used to check the condition. So there is a two way we can pass the value. Suppose if you write a equals to 5, that means we assign the value 5 in a. If you write a equals to 5, that means you have to check whether the value of a is equals to 5 or not. So that is called as the assignment operator. Then next we are using greater than, less than, not equals to, greater than equals to, then less than equals to. These are the relational operator we are using. Equals to, greater than, less than equals to, not equals to, then less than equals to. So these are the relationship operator we are using. बुझिला एटा काम सब मनीषा
Yes, sir.
वीरेंद्र
Yes, sir.
now I will show one program. First int a is equals to 5, b is equals to 5, then c is equals to 10. So we are passing three value: a is equals to 5, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 10. Okay, now here we use the comparison, माने एटा integer value को comparison operator यूज होला. Percentile d is equals to percentile d. Percentile d टा represent करा होची integer value पे. तो चेक होला percentile d is equals to percentile d is percentile d. माने एठी a फर्स्ट परसेंटाइल पे हमें a पास कले, सेकंड परसेंटाइल पे b पास कले, मतलब तो ए जो a और b आप पास करला a इज इक्वल्स टू b, a ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ 5 ଅଛି, b ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ 5 ଅଛି, ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଦେଖେଲା 1, जोटा ट्रू हबो सेटा 1 देखेला. एटा बुझी हला लाइन टा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देन अगेन मु यूज करली परसेंटाइल d इज इक्वल्स टू परसेंटाइल d. एटा कहा पे पास करला a और c. a इज इक्वल्स टू c, एटा 0 होला माने फॉल्स. तापर हमें यूज करले a इज ग्रेटर देन b. A is greater than B, it is false hala. 5 is not greater than B, that is 0 show kala. Then it is 5 is greater than equals to 5. 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equals to 5. तो ये मते 1 रिटर्न करियो. ये जगह 1 रिटर्न करला. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
So these are the relational operator we are using. And next is logical operator. That already you know about the logical operator. We are using and, or not operator. One we are using and operator. And means programmatically हमें data ampersand pass करेगा. So if it is true, it return you true. True, return you true. True, false, return you false. False, return you false. Similar way in the case of or operator symbol is this one. If true, return you true. True, false, return you true. False, return you false. Now in the case of not operator symbol is this. It is evaluate to one statement. If true, then return you false. If false, then it is return you true. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's programming. I will show in the next class. Okay, in the next class का program.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
चलो, so in the next class I will show the programming of this.